Hello guys, welcome back to OctaCoder. We have built Octa Travel App, a sleek to-do list app specifically designed to help you pack smarter. For those of you who are new here, let me quickly show you what this app can do. In this app, you can add items to your packing list, mark them as packed. Even you can sort by input order, description, or you can sort by pack status to see what's left and even delete unnecessary items. Plus, the footer gives you a handy summary of your total items and how many are packed. We even added a clear list button that comes with a confirmation pop-up so you don't accidentally clear everything. Just one click and boom, your list is wiped clean. But only if you are sure. Cool, right? If you are new and want to learn how to build this React app from scratch, check out the previous videos. Links are in the description below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on more awesome tutorials. Today, we are taking things to the next level. Now that the app is built and now it's time to take it live. We are going to deploy it on Vercel. Make it live for the world to see. So without further ado, let's dive in and get this app online. So let's get started with Vercel. For those who are not familiar with Vercel, let me give you a quick intro of what is Vercel. Vercel is a complete platform for the web. It provides the developer tools and cloud infrastructure to build, scale, and secure a faster, more personalized web. Basically, you can host your project or portfolio on Vercel and share it with world. And it's all free. Most of the developers knows it, so we're not going into details, okay? Before we log in on Vercel, you need to have a GitHub account. So it's easier to host project on Vercel, okay? So this is OctaCoder GitHub. And now I'm going to create a new repository. Just click this new button here. Then you'll redirect to create new repository. We are going to name it Octa Travel App and nothing else. If you want to add description, you can add, keep it public. And that's it. Click on the create repository. Now you can see here all the steps GitHub provides to upload your project files here. So just follow these steps, okay? You can use VS Code, but I'm going to show you on Git Bash. This is for learning, so you'll also learn Git Bash, okay? So this is our Octa Travel App project files in my laptop, and here just right click and open Git Bash here. Alright, now Git Bash is open. Now you just need to follow all the steps that are given here. So the first step, Git initialization. You can copy paste, okay? But remember, I have already configured and authenticated my GitHub account with Git Bash, okay? Second step, git add dot. This dot means it adds all the files that we have here, okay? So remember to give dot after add, okay? Third step, git commit -m Octa Travel App on Vercel. Hit the enter, okay? So this step we don't need it because I don't have other branch, okay? So I'll skip this. So then fourth step, just copy this whole line and paste it in Git Bash and click enter. And last step, git push -u origin master because I'm in master. So whatever you are in, you can check here like this. For me, it's master. So for some of you might be main. So you can write main, okay? And that's it. Just refresh the browser and there you go. We have our project files uploaded here in the GitHub. Great. Now the thing is, we just deployed our React app, but just the code to GitHub. And now it's time to make it live for everyone to access. But how? Now is the time we are going to use Vercel to deploy the Octa Travel app and make it live for the world. Okay, so let's do that now.
Subscribe now.
So we are on Vercel homepage. Now click on the login, then continue with GitHub. Then you'll be in the Vercel dashboard. Maybe in the future this interface will change, but don't worry, some processes are the same. So this video was recorded on 27th October 2024. Okay, so then here click on the add new and select project. Then here you'll see all the GitHub repositories. As you can see, we added Octa Travel App just a few minutes ago, right? So what I am going to do is click on import. Then here you can give project name or keep it as it is. This project name will be in the URL here, okay? So here the framework automatically been figured out as React app. If not, you can select manually. If project is in Angular, select Angular. Next time we'll do in Vite. So framework will be Vite. Okay. For now it's React app. Okay. Then root directory, keep it as it is. Now let's take a look at build and output setting. Here are some commands like npm run build, but here we don't need to change anything. Here Vercel will do that for us each time that it detects a change in the GitHub repo, and so that's why we call this a continuous integration. The only important thing you have to do is in case you have environment variable, you add them over here. When you have API keys, that time you need to provide here key. Okay, so we don't have any of them. So I'm going to click deploy. Then as you can see here, a whole deployment process has started. It's basically what we do in VS Code, install the bunch of bundles or packages. Same thing is happening here. Okay, it will take few seconds or minute depending on your internet speed. And it's done. Congratulations, you just deployed a new project to Vercel. Beautiful. So let's continue to dashboard. Here we can actually see the domain, and Vercel actually choose this domain based on the name we gave to the repo. Okay, so here we already have this nicely domain name, but here it is .vercel. Okay, some people uses Netlify, so they get .netlify. We using Vercel, so .vercel. Alright, so let's click on this link and it opens in the new tab. Great. Now with this URL link, you can also access this Octa Travel app. So if you want to check this app, just go to this link I'll give in the description, or just scan this QR code. You'll be redirected to this app. Okay, so check out and leave your feedback in the comments. Okay, and now we can add items here. You can mark them as packed, sort by description, sort by pack status, and you can clear list. So you'll get the confirmation pop-up. Click on OK, and boom, your list is wiped clean out. Pretty cool, right? And once again, huge congratulations for achieving this really important milestone and real world application now deployed to a real production server. So make sure to share this with all your friends and also tell them where you have learned how to build something like this. Okay, so that's it. Thank you for watching and learning from my videos, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please make sure to hit that subscribe button, like, share, and let us know your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for your support. Happy coding and see you in the next one.